Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove two-step verification on your PlayStation 4 account. So let's go up to the top to settings and select this. Go to account management. Then go to account information. Then you might have to sign in right here. So make sure you have your phone at hand or remember your email address and password. Then scroll on down to security. Then wait for this to load. Scroll on down to two-step verification. Then go to your verification method. So you probably have your mobile phone on here. Go to this. And then you can see it in here. What we want to do is go to the status. Go to text message active. Go to inactive. Go to OK. Now, two-step verification has been disabled. And you should be receiving a message on your phone saying this was disabled. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.